on my road bike. Making pedals. Might be that. See if I can ride it that way. What I need to do is see if I can get my bike sheet.
There's our leader.
Lisa escort.
Yeah, leader.
There he is. He's going to escort us.
He'd probably run over us.
Yeah. Got a cow catcher on that one.
I think I like the other pedals better. Like the others better.
All right. You ready? Which way are we going? Uphill? You doing sidewalks?
No.
Oh, okay. Two more girls?
Maybe.
I'll say thanks.
Technically, we still got 5 minutes.
Yeah, you're trying to find out.
Oh, no, I have to go on. Here comes a bike
I keep forgetting.
in the back.
That vehicle coming?
This Dave.
Dave and Michelle.
Yeah, a lot of them show up at the last minute. Nope, they ain't riding. I think this one here is a car factory doctor from Gladstone, north of the river.
I lost a shoe.
Him and his girlfriend or wife or whatever. I think they rode about a month ago. Last time they were here. I know out there north of the river, you got 2 or 3, including Liberty, you got 2 or 3 bike shops up there that have weekly rides. But if you're not that good a shape and stuff, you sit there and go down, you want to do less than 15 miles an hour, they don't have that phase. It's 15 or higher. Yeah.
It could be. It could turn into that.
Do the MS 150, that pace there is still 15 miles an hour.
Try yourself, I like this new seater. It's pretty good.
My days of trying to race over.
Nice and sexy.
Yeah, I'm like you.
I don't even like my head. I don't
I
like
told you about these $11
draft
passes, right?
anymore.
Not bad for $11.
Never raced, but I did distance on my own pace.
How you like that rack?
I like it. I love it.
And I sit there and got a bad back. 6 years ago, down there in Lakewood, I got hit 6 o'clock in the morning by a guy running a stop sign about 2 or 3 houses away from his home. He wasn't looking for a bike, he was looking for traffic.
Looking for a cop out of his truck, huh?
No, it cost his insurance company $12 grand. This is the bike I got.
This is his bike. That's a dandy.
They got to test their sirens when they check out the junk heap. Basically, the last 3 years, you know where Hutting is? Okay, it's up there in Sugar Creek off 24 Highway. Up there by that new railroad bridge up there that they finished about 2 or 3 years ago. Well, ever since I've been there, retired and everything, furthest I've been this year is about 15 miles. used to be off on my bike from there, go to 130th State Line, then go there to 93rd and Metcalf and back. There's 30 or 40 miles for fun.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Road bike night. Everybody got the road bikes out.
Yeah, we're lazy. Yeah, ain't anything gonna miss out of it. In fact, if they take anything out of there, they'll lighten the load of the car. Okay, we're ready to start our bike ride at 6:30 here at Peddlers. And here we go. Oh, they're doing construction over there off 18th and Sterling. Time to run the stop sign. What they got going down here?
What?
What they got going down there?
Oh, I got the band playing live movies.
Okay. She finally decided to do something. Yeah, all the time I rode nights here, going to the square. Only this year is when we really stopped the traffic and have them look at me and Donnie going down the road at night. Straight ahead or left? Left here?
Yes.
Get run over here.